Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you how turmeric is wonderful for your face. Turmeric, the main spice in the Indian dish curry, is argued by many to be the most powerful herb on the planet at fighting and potentially reversing disease. Turmeric benefits are incredibly vast and thoroughly researched. Currently, there are over 10,000 peer-reviewed articles published proving turmeric benefits. Turmeric also has many skin benefits and is used in some beauty products. Use it as an exfoliating agent to reduce signs of aging. Turmeric has anti-aging properties, which help prevent and improve dry skin and wrinkles, thus slowing the process of aging to help your skin look younger. When taken as food, turmeric nourishes the skin and gives it a natural glow. The effects of turmeric on acne are positive, because turmeric is able to reduce the pain and inflammation that is associated with acne and pimples. It can help remove harmful bacteria to speed up the healing and prevent a future outbreak. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce skin inflammation, pigmentation, and blemishes. It has antibacterial properties, which help reduce acne, especially when used with other natural ingredients. Turmeric is said to help diminish black circles and smooth and minimize pores. The spice is an antioxidant that fends off free radicals that cause premature aging, and it can also help to correct an uneven skin tone and reduce redness from blemishes and rosacea. Using turmeric regularly helps fight skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, rashes, and skin marks. The skin benefits of turmeric are numerous, so why not spice up your skin routine? As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.